Hello.
Hello.
Here we are again.
Again, another box. Right, okay. It is from Charlotte and Lisa. Oh, there's two people. Oh, okay. From Any Which Way. It's got a nice sticker. What? See, look, it says Any Which Way and it's a witch.
Oh, as in a witch?
Yes, it's spelled W-Y-T-C. W-Y-T-C-H.
Are you in trouble?
It's 3 videos and it's end of the day.
Come on!
Oh, I'm coming. I'm getting it out. Oh, and then the price list. I need that. Need that. Otherwise, I'm going to be very confused. Oh, let's start with cards because they're in my hand. I love you.
I know. You're only human.
End of the day, Jenny. Right, okay. Greeting cards, £3.50.
Cool, they're cute.
Look, I think
Are they
I think the prints of artwork
prints?
they have done. I think
I quite like them owls.
And then Spitfire.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Man card alert.
Man card. And then
Oh, I know you do.
why is it always one way though?
What?
Why is it as I love you? I don't feel like I get anything back, you know.
You don't love someone just to get it back. The act of loving me should be enough.
Is that enough for me? Right, okay. Oh, quack quack. I got earrings.
Oh, there is.
Mini duck earrings. I spotted that straight away. £4. Sorry, I went straight to the table. Hang on. I'm going to have to... Yeah, I've got more ducks. I've got ducks with sunglasses on.
What more do you need in life?
I know. Yeah. Ducks that are cool. There you go. I think they're probably the same. Yeah, I can only see... Oh, music earrings. There you go. Oh! Ice creams.
These are all fitting in with our idea for the summer window, can I just say?
Yeah, they are, aren't they? Oh, come on out. Sun and Moon. They've got prices on, haven't they? They're £5.
Yes.
Cool.
£5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you can read the price out while I struggle with the packaging.
I don't need to read them out. They can all read.
Oh, they can see.
They're all say £5.
Oh, right, okay. That's cool. Right, okay. Oh. I think all that's coming out is earrings. So I think, yes, everything, there might be a key ring now and again, but I think...
Teddies.
Oh, teeny ducks. Oh, I see. Right,
Baby
different
ducks.
price. Yeah, they're £4. I said £4. Yeah. Right, okay. They're the same as those. I'm just going for it, getting things out. Oh! Cool.
The sheeps?
Yes.
Cool.
Sheep. Proper.
Anyway, I ain't got my glasses on. I
Oh.
can barely see.
Goodness me. Yeah, there's some more sheep there. Look. I think they'd be good for our knitters. Oh, there's a card there. Oh. You see the witch a bit more clearer now. There you go.
There they are.
Oh. There we go. There's the witchiness. There. Look, we've got pentagram. Is that right?
It is a pentagram.
Yes. There we go. Fighting with the bubble wrap. Some skulls.
They're groovy.
And some more skulls. They're quite
£5.
chunky, those. Oh, more bubble wrap fighting. Oh, these are key rings. Right, okay. I've got some metallic. I'll put them near you. Like metallic skull key rings.
They're pretty cool. Have they got a price on? They haven't got a price on
Have
the
they
front.
not
Are they
got
on the back?
Oh, no. Oh, yes. Hang on. Yes, I put it the wrong way. Ow, the bear just attacked me.
They do that. Bears.
Yes. In real life and in the book.
£3.50.
Okay. Oh, more dice. Different colours. Pink tones. Oh, I think they're the same. There we go. There's another for you and your best friend. Is that us? Let's be best friends.
Oh.
Go. And I've got one more. Get out of the bubble wrap. Look, another best friend set.
Oh.
Besties. There we go.
Play Yahtzee with your best friend.
Really?
What?
I don't like 70s. Coming up. But we're showing his age again.
No, I think people still play Yahtzee.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
I remember the advert. Yahtzee!
I still think it's a thing. Is it?
I don't
I
know.
don't know.
I'm not sure that it is, Jenny.
All right. I was trying to avoid playing craps, but we'll play craps.
I think it's just...
I just didn't want to say craps. And now I've said craps about 4. I've said it again.
Stop.
I can't.
Stop.
I can't stop saying craps.
Oh, dear.
It is
God.
called craps, isn't it?
I don't think...
I think it is
I
called...
don't think kids play Yahtzee anymore. I think they just watch TikTok.
Okay.
That's all we do nowadays. Well, that's all my daughter does anyway. She doesn't seem to do anything else other than that.
But we could play
I
craps.
don't think she's ever heard of Yahtzee. I really
Well,
don't.
that's terrible.
Do you own Yahtzee?
No.
There you go then. How are we going to play Yahtzee?
With our dice.
All right, and just shout Yahtzee.
We might have to Google the rules.
Okay.
Anyway, let's play craps instead.
Oh, for goodness sake.
I've got it in lots of times now. I'm quite pleased with myself.
Oh, my God.
Oh,
I can see a theme going on in our videos lately.
what? Of me?
Yes.
The
Words. Words. Getting them in.
It's all I've got.
It's like...
It's all I've got to go with is words.
It's like on YouTube. We're going to have to, when we get them on YouTube, is have the ping sound, you know. How many times does Jenny say? Crap. Ping!
You sound quite embarrassed about saying it then. Go on, say it loud
No.
and proud.
No.
Go on. Say...
My word is thong. How many times did Jenny say thong in this video?
But why
Bing!
can't you say craps? Well, all of a sudden, because
No.
it's the name of a game.
It's just the way you say things.
But that's just...
It's like, what's the book one? What is it? Book hook?
A book hook.
Yes.
There's nothing wrong with that.
It's the way you say it.
Anyway,
Well, I like the sheep.
you love me, so it's all good.
I like the sheep. They're very cute.
So,
they're good knitter earrings.
we've gone back to it's just me and you having a chat and forgot we're on a video. So
woolly earrings.
if they're all together, are they a flock?
Why is it when you say innocent words, they just sound wrong?
I don't know. They only sound wrong to you.
It's just the way you say things.
What, flock?
Yes.
How else would I say flock? How else? I don't understand. Just saying flock.
Oh dear. I wonder if anyone else laughs like us.
It's
It's just us.
You could give me a complex. I'm just
Oh.
saying words.
Do you remember that woman that came in and said that her husband told her off when she watched our videos and she had to turn the volume down because he was sick of hearing us laughing?
Yeah, she had to watch the videos with the sound down.
Yeah.
But the fact she came in and told us that,
No.
I was a little
Poor
bit
woman.
offended.
No, poor woman.
Not
Did you go into another room and listen to us?
to be fair, I think poor husband having to
Yeah, make
listen to
the
us.
husband go into another room.
Yeah.
So you can enjoy our videos in full volume. Jenny saying flock. Excellent. They are very cute. I do like the sheep.
Right. So if
Okay.
anybody wants any,
A flock
of sheep.
Or
if
I
they
feel
want
that's
to
a pair, but now it's a flock of sheep.
they want a flock of sheep, or you want to play craps.
No, it's Yahtzee.
Oh, Yahtzee. What?
You set me off now. Stop. How am I going to do it at all?
Come on. What do they need to do? Come on.
Okay, gear myself up. They need to comment down below. We can reserve our post out. You can phone the shop on 01924 469 500. You can come into the shop on Union Street, Dewsbury. Our Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, got teeth, is a Creative Craft Centre Dewsbury, and our website is creativecraftcentre.net.
Yay!
I don't think that was too bad
That
to say
wasn't-
I had a tear trickling down my face halfway through that.
At least it was tears of laughter,
Yeah.
not just crying.
Okay.
Oh, do you think we should say bye?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on then.
Okay. Bye.